Good morning, dear students. In this video we are going to discuss class 8 maths exercise 8b, that is compound interest. Okay, question number first is calculate the amount and compound interest by using the formula for compound interest. Okay, in this question first question is principal 625 rupees, rate of interest is 4% per annum and time is 2 years. First we have to calculate amount, then we will calculate CI, means compound interest. As you know the formula of compound interest means we will use the formula for first amount, because we have to calculate the amount here also. If we have to not calculate the amount, then we can use the formula of compound interest direct. Okay, but we have to calculate both here in this question, compound interest and amount. So we will apply the formula of amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 into T. This is the formula for amount. Okay, so our principal is given here 625 into 1 plus rate of interest is 4%, so 4 upon 100, time is 2 years, so power 2. Okay, if you calculate this, if you will do 1 plus 4 upon 100, if you will solve this, here LCM will come what, 100, and here will be 1, so here will come 100 plus 4 means 104 upon 100. That's why I have written here 104 upon 100 to the power 2. Again 625, power is 2, so we will write this term 2 times, 104 upon 100 into 104 upon 100. If you cancel it by 4, 4 2s are 8 and 4 6s are 24. So 26 upon 25 will come. Here also 26 upon 25 will come. Okay. So 25 into 25 will be 625. So you can cancel this 25 and 25 by 625. So now we have 26 into 26, and 26 into 26 will be 676 rupees. So amount will be here 626 rupees. Okay, so answer of first question, calculate the amount. We have calculated 676 rupees. Now we will calculate the compound interest CI. Formula is amount minus principal. The amount we have calculated 676 minus principal is given in the question 625. So this difference is 51 rupees, means CI will be 51 rupees. I hope this question is clear to everybody. Okay, let's move in next question. Question number 2. Okay, this is question number 2. In this question, principal is given 1000 rupees, rate of interest 10% per annum, and time is given here 3 years. So first apply the formula of amount, same formula, principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power time t. Principal is 1000 rupees into 1 plus rate 10 upon 100 to the power 3. Here 1010 will be, this cancel out, so we have 1 upon 10, and if you will solve 1 plus 1 upon 10, okay, suppose here is 1, so LCM will be 10 plus 1 to the power 3 means 11 upon 10 to the power 3. That's why I have written 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 3 times. Okay, so this 30 and this 30 will be cancel out. Okay, so now we have 11 into 11 into 11, and if you multiply 11 into 11 into 11, it will come 1331 rupees. So our amount will be this 1331 rupees. Okay, now we will calculate CI, compound interest. So this will be amount minus principal. Amount is 1331 minus 1000, so it will come 331 rupees compound interest. Okay, here third question is, I hope question number 2 is clear to everybody. Okay, comment if you have not got the solution, comment. Principal is 8,000, rate of interest 10% half yearly is given here, and time is 1 upon integer 1 upon 2. So 1 integer 1 upon 2 means what? If you solve, this is 3 upon 2. Okay, so there is the half yearly rate of interest, but in this question see PA is written. PA means per annum, means yearly. Okay, and half yearly. So in case of half yearly, rate will be half. The 10% means 10 upon 2, it will be 5% per annum. So rate will be 5% per annum yearly, and time will be double, because we will calculate 2 times interest in a year. Half yearly means after 6 months, again after 6 months we will calculate the interest. So time will be double. In 1 year we will calculate 2 times interest. So time will be double. So 3 upon 2 into 2, if you will do 2 will be cancel out, here will be 3 years. So now question is principal 8,000, rate of interest is 5% per annum, and time is 3 years. Okay, so by same formula you can calculate it. Okay, so this question is homework for you. We will calculate amount, then CI, and comment the answer in comment box. Okay, I hope it is clear to everybody. Thank you. Okay.